For many years we heard rumors that Samsung will combine the Galaxy Note and the Galaxy S series, and now it finally happened. I'm Ben for NextPit, and we had the chance to look at the Galaxy S22 Ultra at the Samsung Impact event in Berlin, and I will now tell you my first hands-on impressions about the device. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is huge, almost as large as the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra from a few years ago. It's a hint shorter and a bit wider and thicker. But even without the case, the 6.8-inch device feels like a small tablet. You will definitely benefit from the huge AMOLED 2X display that looks fantastic with its QHD+ resolution and up to 120 Hz of variable refresh rate. On the bottom left of the device you will find the S Pen that comes with all known stylus functions like air command menus and detection for handwriting. The device will again come in two different models, one with the Exynos 2200 in Europe and a global version with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Let's find out which one performs better in the next few weeks when we get to test the devices for our detailed NextPit reviews. Another huge thing about the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the 5000 mAh battery that finally charges with 45 watts. The camera is Galaxy Ultra typical. In addition to the main 108 megapixel main sensor, there's an ultra-wide lens and two 10 megapixel telephoto cameras. One features a 3x optical zoom and the other one brings a magnification of 10x. Yawn. Samsung also promises new AI magic tricks such as better bokeh filters for you and your pets, studio-level effects for your selfies, and better night photos and portraits. I will now steer the Galaxy S22 Ultra and will tell you all about the device in my full-length review on nextpit.com. Until then, you can tell me your impression of the device in the comments and also like and subscribe to our channel.